Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie Stacey. So a couple of months ago I shared with you guys my experience on the Omad diet. That's the 1 meal a day diet. So yeah, a couple of you liked it, and so I decided to do a video to show you guys basically what I eat in a day when I'm doing my Omad diet. Since my first time trying out Omad, I loved it. I think this is the only diet that I really can stick with, even though I kind of switch sometimes with other forms of intermittent fasting. But yeah, Omad, I've seen results and I continue to see results, so I kind of do this a lot. I kind of eat 1 meal a day most of the times, so, and it's usually in the evening. So you're going to see my day and I'm going to eventually share with you guys what I eat. But right now I want to do some work on my computer, so yeah, I'll get to doing that. But first, I almost forgot, like I have to drink my green tea. So when I wake up in the morning, I drink green tea. Like I love to drink green tea. I'm not a coffee person, and I love to drink green tea when I do Omad because it's 0 calories and it doesn't break your fast. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do my work and drink my green tea, and I'll see you guys soon. As you can see, I've already made the tea and put it in this flask so I can always drink throughout the day. So this particular flask keeps the tea hot for 12 hours, and if you put something cold in it, it keeps it very cold for 24 hours. So yeah, that's where I always keep my tea, so it's easier to drink throughout the day. So yeah, I'll just continue drinking my tea while I do some work on my laptop, and I'll see you guys soon. So I finished all the work I had to do, and right, so my battery died, but right now I'll go ahead and feed Velkan. So you guys meet Velkan. It's a dog, and yeah, he's so hungry, he's not having it. It's about 5:30 p.m. and it's time for me to start preparing my meal for the day. So yeah, I like to eat around maybe 6, later 7. So yeah, I'll go ahead and prepare my meal for the day. And for this meal, I'm going to use some tomatoes, and I'll go ahead and just chop them up. So yeah, I'll also be using some onion, and actually I'm going to use this full bulb of onion. It's a small size, so it's good, and I always like to have onion in my food. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and slice it. I like to slice it in the shape. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll also be using some garlic, and I'll just go ahead and peel it off and then chop it up into smaller pieces. As for my ginger, I like to grate it. I feel like this way is easier than chopping it using the knife, and it comes out even smaller than what the knife would have done. So yeah, I always opt to grate my ginger. Also, for this first meal, I'm going to need 2 eggs, so I'll be using 2 eggs for this meal. And can you guys already guess what I'm about to make with all the ingredients you've seen so far? So yeah, not forgetting my chili. I like my food spicy, so I just went ahead and added some too. It's time to confirm if you guessed right. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and prepare my meal. Next, I'm going to move on to my small head of cabbage, and I'm going to cut it into two, and I'll use half of it. So yeah, I'll cut it into two, and then I'm going to chop it up for the next meal I want to prepare. So yeah. I'll also be using honey for this meal, and I just poured in a tablespoon of honey, and I'll go ahead and add some beef bouillon to it. I'm going to add a cube of it, and I'll also add some salt and just mix it up, and I'll also add water. This acts like my soy sauce. Yeah, I like to add honey to it. It just kind of gives me the soy sauce taste or something like that. But yeah, if you have soy sauce, you can use that, but I ran out of soy sauce. So whenever I run out of soy sauce, I just go ahead and use honey and mix it with a bunch of other stuffs. So yeah, I pour in my chopped garlic, and for this you want to make sure that the garlic is brownish before you go ahead and add your cabbage. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding my cabbage, and I'll continue to fry it or stir fry it. So yeah, as you can already guess, I'm making stir fried cabbage. This is Chinese cuisine inspired. So yeah, I know I've said before that I don't like cabbage, and I'm not a fan still, but yeah, when it's cooked like this, I kind of like it, and this is what I basically eat most of the time. So I just wanted to show you guys like what I eat in a day. Like, this is for real. I feel like this meal is easier to prepare and quicker. I don't need to waste a lot of time. So yeah, so now I'm done, and I'll just go ahead and put my food in my plate. So yeah, I put some rice and the stir fried tomatoes and eggs, and then the stir fried cabbage. The plate is already looking so colorful and beautiful. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add my sardine. You guys already know I love my sardines, and I like to eat this like every day, but I'm going to take out the oil first because that's a lot of calories. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pour in my sardine and the almighty avocado. Like, whew, I always like avocado. So yeah, I'll go ahead and slice my avocado and add it to my meal, and Yeah, my plate is complete and I'm ready to eat. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, this is how my meal looks for the day. And also later on I had some pineapple. Yeah, I had some pineapple after my meal, kind of just acts as my snack, but it's within the hour though. So remember, this is a 1 meal a day diet, so nothing crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below what video you want to see next, and I will gladly do that for you. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Before I go, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.